Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I thought you might be getting bored sitting at home during this quarantine, and I thought I'll do something interesting in my video today. So today I'm gonna do a 10-minute makeup challenge where I have to do my full face makeup in just 10 minutes. I have never done my full face makeup in just 10 minutes. It usually takes me about half an hour to do my basic makeup, and it takes me about an hour to do that extreme glam makeup. But today we will just have 10 minutes, so I will have to absolutely rush through it, and it is going to be really interesting. Okay, so I have already got all the makeup stuff that I need for today's video. Also, I have washed and moisturized my face, and I did this because you need to leave your face for some time after moisturizing it, and I cannot do that in today's video. And let me tell you, this is not cheating. This is just me being prepared for today's video, so it is not cheating. Okay, so in the phone I have set the timer for 10 minutes, and we are going to start. Okay, so first I'll do the foundation. So I'm taking this Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Panna Cotta, and I will just mix it up with I used Huda Beauty's foundation in the shade Panna Cotta with Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade uh, I don't know which shade was it. Almond in the shade Almond. And now I'm gonna apply it. Oh, I forgot my hand mirror. Shit. I will run and grab my hand mirror. Okay, we need more foundation, so I'll have to make more. Is it the same color? Yes, kind of. Okay, done with the foundation. Now we will move on to uh, concealer. So I'm using Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Maple. This is so empty. I don't even have the time to go and grab the other one. Okay, done with the concealer. Now yeah, eyebrows. So I do not have a lot of time to do those perfect eyebrows. I'm just gonna take this eyebrow tint by NYX, and I'm just gonna do whatever it does. It's not even making a difference. Go for the eyes. For the eyes, I'm using Huda Beauty's Coral Obsession palette, and I'm using I can't show you today which colors I'm using. I'm sorry. I do not have the time for that. But I'm just using the Coral Obsession palette and mixing whatever colors come to my mind. My major concern for today is eyeliner and the false eyelashes because they need time and they need patience to apply, and I do not have both of them today, so I don't know what's gonna happen at that part. Blending takes a lot of time. I know I have limited time, but still, I do not want my eyes to be like really simple. I really want to do a little bit of something creative. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shimmer by Fenty Beauty. It's in the shade Ice Cream, and oof, I'm gonna apply it just in the center of my eyelid. And again, I will just blend it out. I will go back to these shades and apply it on my lower lash line. Okay, it's not even equal. How much time do we have? Okay, next there is a lot of fallout from the shimmer, so just wanna clean it up. Okay, kajal by I I don't know, colossal, I don't know. Again, not equal, but it's okay. I'm gonna move to the difficult part, the eyeliner, which is necessary. I cannot skip it. Okay, please be good to me, eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna go with a half wink only. Oh god, no. No, 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 no. They are so not equal. They are not at all equal. I will have to redo it to make it equal, and I cannot do that. Falsies, there is no time to even get them out of the box, so I'm just gonna go with the mascara. I'm sweating so much. Shit. I hope it's recording fine because I don't even have the time to stop and check if there is anything wrong with recording. I cannot do that, so sorry for that. Ooh, eyes. Sorry, I'm done with eyes. Next, I'm gonna move to contour, and for contour, I'm using Kylie's Skinny Duo palette, and it's gonna be fast. I'm gonna make it really fast. Okay, contour done. Blush, okay. Blush, I'm using PAC only, and is it even visible? Nothing is visible. I don't have any time to make anything right. Um, Highlight. Where is the highlight? Okay. Um, for highlighter, I'm going in with Kylie's you know the palette. It's okay. You know, I've told you many times. Oh no. I'm gonna cheat a little bit and I'm gonna complete this look because I can't talk to you with such an incomplete and funny look. I need to do something about it. Only one step was left. Only the lipstick was left. I had done everything else. So for the lipstick, I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Candy K. I'm sweating so much. Only one step was left. That was lipstick. That was lipstick. So if I had given like 12-minute makeup challenge, I would have, no, not even 12, 11-minute makeup challenge, and I would have done it. You know, I really had fun doing this video. I really enjoyed doing this video. I will definitely look up for more challenges, makeup challenges, and I will do them. This was really fun for me, and I hope that you all had a good time watching this video. I hope that I got some entertainment to your life during this boring quarantine period. So I really hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And that is pretty much all for today's video, and I will see you guys the next time.